Mom here. Hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day. I know I'm really excited. I got some different packages in the mail, so we got some new videos coming, and as you can see from the description below, this video is going to be the Medusa's makeup subscription unboxing. For those of you that do not know, Medusa's makeup is a $15.95 a month subscription, and that you do receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty items. They are amazing. I love that Medusa's makeup is cruelty-free and vegan, and it is their brand of makeup that you receive. So it is an indie brand, which is great because that means that, you know, not every single person when you're walking through Target is gonna potentially have the same makeup on as you, which is fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into this box. Again, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my videos. If you have not already, please do subscribe. The button is right down there. And we do have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. I will make sure to link up above the update with all of the prizes that are included. However, in this video, I will show you, in true Southern Mom fashion, I already have more items to add to the giveaway when I just did the update of everything that was included. So I will make sure to show those to you guys as well. Again, this is Medusa's makeup. I'm not sure if this is going to end up being their August 2018 box or not, because I'm hoping it is, because that is actually their 2-year anniversary. So it's like an extra special box. And let's just go ahead and use our little friend and open it up and see what we got. Okay, right off the bat, I'm not thinking it is the August box, because I have seen other videos and they had like pretty polka dot paper, like birthday tissue paper, so that's okay. We will still take a look. Oh, you guys, I was wrong. They must have just run out of the birthday polka dot paper. I'm super excited. August 2-year birthday beauty box. Awesome. And then on the back of the card, it has some inspiration type looks that you could maybe make with some of the products. So yay. All right, so we're gonna start with the bonus products, which right here on top, and it says this is worth $3. This is the Cocoa Betty makeup wipe. It is a coconut oil wipe. And it says, use me to remove makeup, nourish thirsty skin, clear blemished skin, and soothe sensitive skin. It is Australian made, vegan, not tested on animals, and 100% coconut oil. So that's awesome. Yay. And then the second bonus item is a Medusa's pop socket. So there is that. It says Medusa's makeup. So you put this on your phone, and you know, you see everybody walking around kind of like this, holding their phone. So that is great. And the final bonus item is this beautiful little collection of Medusa stickers. They are so super cute. I will probably pass these along to my niece because she would enjoy these. So let's get into the actual well, we have one free lipstick, your choice, with a purchase of $30 or more. Okay, so they have a little coupon in here for if you make a purchase. It does expire on October 31st. The code is Lippy. So if you want to make a purchase, use that code and get a free lipstick. I will make sure to link their website down below for you guys if you have not already signed up. That way you can head on over. Like I said, vegan, cruelty-free products. and their products are amazing. So let's go ahead here and see. We have got their Medusa's Makeup Lip Gloss Metal AF in Crazy Train. This is $11. Oh, you guys. I like it's in a glass bottle. Y'all see this? I can already tell you right now, this is absolutely, it is gorgeous, but it is not a color that I would wear. So, this may end up in the giveaway. We'll see. This may end up in the giveaway. But, I mean, that's a great deal for, I mean, a $15.95 box and the first item is $11. So, you can't beat that. And the next item is the Totally Baked Eyeshadow in Bodacious. This is $9. And this is how it looks. And it says Bodacious. Makes me think of the 90s. Okay. And we've got the little plastic. Y'all, this is beautiful. Let me do a swatch here. Oh, it's so super creamy and soft. All right, I'm gonna do a little swatch right here. Wow, you guys, this is so, you see what's left on my finger? This is so pigmented and it is absolutely beautiful. It's like a brown shimmery gold, or with hints of gold. Just beautiful, excuse the other swatch there, beautiful color. Oh my goodness, like that is so pretty. Okay, and then the next item is an exclusive mineral blush in Laser Beam. This is worth $14. And it is a loose. This is what the packaging looks like. My goodness. Okay, there we go. I could not get into it. You guys, you know what I just did? There was a little tab to pull off the seal and I broke it. I broke the tab off. So, bear with me. This mama needs a second cup of coffee today. Oh! Hey guys, sorry about that. We had to connect this back. My camera died, so excuse that. But we were opening the exclusive mineral blush late in Laser Beam, and I had ripped off the little safety seal tab, but I got it. But you guys, watch. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. All of that beautifulness that comes out when I open this. And this is a blush. I mean, I'm already like shimmering. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger. Look, you guys, that is so beautiful. We will swatch this. Oh my goodness. We'll swatch that right next to the eyeshadow. Do you see this? Wow, you guys. It is a very slight pink, but it has the glitter and it picks up the light. And I'm at a loss for words. It is just so beautiful. And this could also definitely clearly be used, ooh, y'all see that? As a highlighter. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I am very happy with that. And then now I have like shimmery all over me, but that is okay. The final item in here is the Magical Eye Dust in the color Medusa, and this is $11.95. So I mean, the box has definitely more than paid for itself. And this is the little box that it comes in, and it says Medusa. Oh. It would help if I tried to open the box the right way. Mystical Eye Dust. Just sounds fabulous. And this is what the little package looks like. It is, I can already see it's like super gorgeous. Oh, they did it to me again with which is good. But let's see if I can actually get it with the little okay, we got it off. So, do a little swatcheroonie of this. Oh, you guys, the glitter in this. And it's, when I say glitter, I don't mean like big chunks. You'll see. And this is like a smoky grayish look to me. That's what I think of with this color. But do y'all see that shimmer and that glitter? It's super fine, so it's not chunky or anything like that, but it is absolutely fun and just, I mean, if you put this and this together, you're just gonna like shine bright like a diamond. So, I'm just kidding, you guys. So, again, goofy. I need another cup of coffee. But how gorgeous is that, you guys? Seriously. Like, that is so pretty. And what I really like about it is it does have that pop of the glitter, the fun, but it's not like a overly done, you know. At 34, I could still wear this for just a little bit of extra fun and not look like, you know, I'm 14. So, I love it. I think it is so beautiful. So, that is gorgeous. So that was the Medusas, August 2018, and it was their 2-year birthday box. Fabulous box. Again, I will make sure to link down below the website to sign up if you want to get a Medusa's makeup box. Again, it is monthly. It is $15.95, but absolutely well worth it. And again, if you have not already, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and watch all future unboxings, reviews, makeup hauls. We do all kinds of stuff here. And then make sure to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And let me show you guys what is now going to be added. Additionally, like I said, I may actually end up adding this Medusa's lip gloss. I'm not sure yet. Possibly. I'm sure I'll let you know in a future video. But as of right now, the new things to be added are let me get this. Coconut and juicy juicy kiwi. I said that correctly. I'm stumbling and I'm not stumbling, but I think I'm stumbling. Coconut and juicy kiwi. This is a body lotion. So yay. And then here we have from Bath and Body Works, Pink Lily and Bamboo. It is a little body spray. Smells great. We have another really pretty pair of earrings. These are little green beads. They're little dangles, and they have like a little flower or burst design on them. So those are super cute. They're simple. And we have 2 lip glosses. And let's see. We have here they're both by MAC Studio. And of course, you know, there's no color. But this is a pretty pink lip gloss. And then for fall, we have a pretty darker brown lip gloss. And right here we have by Profusion Metallic Eye Pigment in Opulent. So this is a loose eye pigment. It is a really pretty color. And then we have a little sample here of the Bahama Mama by the Balm Bronzer. And finally, this is by Ahava. It is Time to Clear Facial Mud Exfoliator. So as of right now, these items are being added to the giveaway. I know I told you guys yesterday that was the updated full prize package, but I did make sure to let you know in the video that I probably would end up adding more to it, which obviously I have done, and it's just a day after, so who knows what else will end up in there. So please do subscribe, join our YouTube family, watch all of our videos, and make sure to give a thumbs up if you like our videos, and enter the giveaway. The link will be down below for that as well. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the August 2018 Medusa's makeup unboxing, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye.